Hi guys, so today I've got this review video for you of these beautiful stickers from Bornprettystore. I'll leave a link down below to where you can purchase them for yourself, and there's also a discount code as well for the website. So they come in these gorgeous rainbow colours. I think they're meant to be Phoenix, and that's what it reminds me of anyway. Now I think because of the colours on them that they'll look really nice on a black nail. So I've got a black gel polish nail here ready to go. And I'm just going to use my tweezers to pick up one of the designs and place it on the nail. I would say that for some of these larger ones, I'm just going to use my thumbnail as an example, that even curving that round it would be slightly too large, so they would need trimmed down slightly to fit on to your nail. So I just very gently lifted that up there. I didn't want to damage the sticker in any way. And I've now just placed that on the nail and I'm going to gently smooth it out. And I think that looks really nice on the black background. So I'm now just going to apply a top coat and cure that. So that's it out the lamp now, and you can just see it. The colours on that are really gorgeous. I like the subtlety of it with the black background. Of course you can play around and do different types of background. You could even just have it maybe even just on like a French, you know, so you can actually get the full impact of the sticker. It'd be lovely as well. So there's plenty of choices of stickers. You don't have to get like these specific ones. We do have plenty of other options on the website as well, which seem really good to choose from. So as I said, there's a discount code down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.